Hey class, welcome to the graduate school or internship worksheet. I want to emphasize "or" on this assignment because you're either going to fill out the graduate part or the internship part. Some students will fill out both because they want to kind of research both, and that's fine. But really, you only are required to choose one. So one of the things I want to show you is how it says here in the directions, just choose one of the two matrices. You'll see that there's three grids here for this top part for graduate school. So you're basically picking three schools to choose from um, that you're going to go research on those schools' websites to see which schools are offering the graduate programs for the ones you want to go to. You're going to do three different schools. It's required to find their test scores, internship, volunteer information, application deadlines, special skills or qualifications, and other important information. So, if you want to do that part, you can. You only need three. It's really, very interesting assignment as it gets you thinking about graduate school and kind of like how to look at information, get you started with that. Internship matrix, comparison matrix. Here's you can either go to Career Connections or go to this website. You would choose three internships. It's very important to find something in your field where you can have an internship. Um, this is where that college kickoff is really helpful. If you ever have these kind of meetings in the future, or if not, it's always good to walk up to your professors and ask if there's any opportunities that they know of, maybe to do some kind of research or some kind of projects on campus they know of, or even just internships, because once you get mingled in with your professors, a lot of them know businesses and opportunities that are out there. Um, that they can send students to and give letters of recommendation if possible as well. Some of these positions are paid too. Some of them are go unpaid, and then I've seen students go from an unpaid internship position to being hired to be paid. So it's possible that could happen. But you want to find three of them. You can go to this website here, go to Career Connections. Is it paid? Duration? What's the responsibilities? What's the requirements? Those kind of things. So this one's actually pretty interesting. I always tell students, look at these internships. Even if you don't fill out this part, click on that link and look at the opportunities that are out there and talk to your professors. Even if you went or even if you did attend or did not attend the career kickoff, go to your professors in your program of study, go to the dean and see if there's opportunities that you could do for whether it's paid or unpaid to get that experience and get your name out there. Professors aren't going to say, "Hey, I got this going on." They're going to see who's going to be the proactive student that comes out and asks for the opportunities. Okay, so fill these things out. Hopefully, this motivates you either to look at internships or graduate schools, and then, of course, submit this in the Dropbox. So if you have any questions about this assignment, please let me know.